it's Brooke with WTI. If you want a quick way to quench your thirst and have your water by you, this is so convenient.
This 32-ounce Gatorade bottle always comes in hand because I'm an outdoorsy girl. I can get that quick drink. It has a steady stream when I squeeze the bottle. I can quickly get my drink while I'm running. And I like the pure flow valve that holds the water so that if it's on its side, it's not leaking. I also appreciate that it has this Gator-skin grip that has this texture so I don't accidentally drop my bottle, and I have a really wonderful grip. The size is really convenient. The silhouette shape fits so nicely into my hand. And I like that it has this clear hydro view strip so I can see my waterline level and see when I need to refill it. With the lid, it's easy to unscrew and screw and fill the water and put my powders or ice in. It's also really convenient to clean because of the wide open mouth. This is definitely nice with the BPA-free material that they use, and I find that I'm always grabbing this. This is great for not only me, but everyone in my family. This fits in most cup holders, including in my car, so this is a great way to have your favorite water or sports drink.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.